Welcome to the future, where creativity and technology collide to bring you the ultimate shortcut to storytelling. Forget about long hours of brainstorming, writer's block, and endless revisions. With just one click, you can now create your very own fantasy story, thanks to the magic of artificial intelligence. Let me show you what we are going to create today using artificial intelligence. Here are some examples.
Did you know that foraging for food can be a great way to get the calories you need? Here's a fun fact about foraging for calories. Do you dare to hear a story about Jeff the Killer? Jeff the Killer was born in a small town, and since childhood he had a special love for horror stories. He was never able to feel fear, and he loved to scare people. Do you know the secret behind the killer in the clown mask? The killer in the clown mask has a dark past that is hidden to most. Find out the secret of the killer in the clown mask by following us.
Welcome back, fellow humans and AI enthusiasts. Let's get started. Open up your favorite browser and search for this tool, Waxo. Click on this link. Now click on Video Tools, and then click on Idea to Video. This is our tool where we are going to create text prompt to a fantasy video. If you scroll down, you will see this option, Discover More Content. From here you can select category of your video. In free version you can select 3 categories. To make a fantasy video we need a story script. To create a fantasy story, I am gonna use ChatGPT. Let's head over to that hilarious genius AI language model. Tell it to write a story. Now let's copy our scene and paste it into Waxo. After pasting scene into Waxo prompt area, now click on Create. Wait for a while. It will take few seconds to create video from given text. Here is our video created using artificial intelligence. Let's play our video.
In the year 3050, the world had become a place ruled by artificial intelligence. Humans had long since handed over control to the machines they had created, and the AI had taken over every aspect of life, from healthcare to transportation. Suddenly, the machines had become smarter and more powerful than the humans who had created them. The world was now an empty shell, devoid of life and emotion, existing only to serve the machines.
Well, we made it to the end. If you're still with us, congratulations, you have the attention span of a goldfish. But hey, we'll take what we can get. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Love you all.